Hello and good afternoon. My name is Isabella Fenniman, and today I will be informing you about the controversial topic of pollution caused by single-use plastics and microplastics. Single-use plastics such as water bottles, straws, and plastic bags have become indispensable to modern-day society. Unfortunately, these plastics are not only significant to environmental issues, but they also pose serious health concerns as they break down into smaller particles known as microplastics. They accumulate and contaminate our oceans, rivers, and soil, entering the food chain and potentially harming wildlife. Additionally, these products of plastics relies heavily on the precious fossil fuels such as petroleum, which is extracted through the fracking and drilling on Earth's surface. These processes release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming and climate change. The environmental toll of plastic pollution, compounded by the fact that it takes hundreds, if not thousands of years for plastics to decompose, shows that it's just long-lasting and cumulative. One of the most glaring examples of this problem is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a large accumulation of plastic debris in the Pacific Ocean, which serves as a reminder of the widespread impact of single-use plastics and their enduring presence in our oceans. Gail Senage Group published an article on plastic waste, and it says in paragraph 5, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is the largest of these patches, covers an area roughly twice the size of Texas in the North Pacific Ocean. In 2016, the World Economic WEF issued a report predicting that plastic waste in the ocean would outweigh fish by the year 2050. Garbage patches are now in all major oceans, harming everything along the way. Heather Horn, the author of Plastics Are Now Poisoning Both Our Bodies and Our Politics, states in paragraph 3, microplastics can now be found everywhere from human breast milk to Mount Fiji. The widespread presence of microplastics reflects just how, in the last 70 years, humans have managed to pollute and alter every inch of Earth's surface in one way or another with plastics. So given the extent of the issue, how do you think we should solve it? Some argue the enforcing of more recycling could help. However, this raises critical questioning about the effectiveness of recycling. Allison Chu with the Washington Post highlights why recycling may not be the best solution in paragraph 4. Starting in paragraph 4. The research adds to the glowing concerns that recycling isn't as effective as a solution to plastic pollution as some may think. Only a fraction of plastic produced gets recycled, about 9% worldwide and about 5 to 6% in the United States, according to some recent estimates. In conclusion, the increase in the last 60 years of overwhelming amounts of microplastics in remote regions and aquatic habitats has led to detrimental effects on animals, ecosystems, and eventually health concerns for humans as microplastics enter the food chain. Joining forces internationally to hopefully mitigate the rate in which microplastics are being created, while also introducing bio-based eco-friendly materials. The transition to biodegradable materials can help mitigate the environmental damage caused by plastic, providing a more sustainable future for the planet. However, this is a challenge that cannot be overcome by a single nation alone. It will require a collaborative global effort where individuals may have to accept some hardship for the short term in order to secure a cleaner, healthier future for generations. Ultimately, this is a collaborative approach will be key to reduce the widespread impact of microplastics and ensure the long-lasting sustainability of our ecosystem and health. Thank you.